Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Bahia Grass Seed is probably one of the most resilient and versatile choices for your lawn. Known for its ability to thrive in various conditions, this seed offers a lush, green carpet that can withstand heavy foot traffic and requires minimal maintenance. Whether you're dealing with sandy soil, intense sunlight, or even drought conditions, Bahia Grass is a fantastic option for a beautiful and durable lawn. Number 5. Outsidepride White Dutch Clover Seed, 2 pounds. This high-quality clover seed is perfect for erosion control and creating a lush lawn alternative. It's ideal for covering large areas and enriching pasture mixtures. The seeds are specially treated to ensure superior germination rates and enhance soil health. They naturally boost soil nitrogen, making it a great choice for any agricultural application. This white clover seed thrives in a wide range of climates, from full sun to partial shade. Whether you're in the north or south, it ensures lush growth and reliable coverage. Simply disperse the seeds on prepared soil, lightly rake them in, and keep them moist. Expect quick germination within 14 days. It's ideal for large areas and bulk planting. Growing to a manageable height, this perennial clover features beautiful white blooms. It's a great choice for use as a flowering ground cover and a lawn patch alternative. What we like. This clover seed is perfect for erosion control, creating a lush lawn alternative, and enriching pasture mixtures. It features advanced nitro coating and inoculation to ensure superior germination rates and enhance soil health. If you are looking for a versatile option that thrives in various climates and offers beautiful white blooms, you should consider this. What people say. The clover germinated rapidly. Within a week, I noticed vibrant green sprouts emerging. It didn't just fill in the bare spots, it established a lush, green carpet that blended seamlessly with the existing grass. It stays green. Even when my dogs are out there doing zoom eyes like caffeinated goats. Number 4. Scott's Easy Seed Patch and Repair Sun and Shade 20 pounds. Are you tired of bare spots ruining your lawn's look? This revolutionary product is designed to fill in those unsightly areas. It's the perfect solution for a beautiful, healthy lawn. This product contains a special blend of grass seed, mulch, fertilizer, and a tackifier. The mulch expands to protect the seed, while the fertilizer nourishes it. This combination ensures successful growth. Whether you have full sun, dense shade, or a high-traffic area, this seed mix is guaranteed to grow. It's also suitable for slopes, making it versatile for any lawn condition. For best results, apply this seed when daytime temperatures are between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure there's no risk of frost. Proper timing is key for germination. A 20 pounds bag of this product covers up to 445 square feet. The application is simple: prepare the area, apply the seed evenly, and water. It's that easy to achieve a lush lawn. What we like. This product is designed to fill in bare spots and repair lawn damage. It includes a combination of grass seed, mulch, fertilizer, and a protectant. If you have a patchy lawn and need a quick fix that grows in sun and shade, you should consider this. What people say. This stuff works great. After 4 years of this, I can say it's fast and reliable. I rake away the moss and loosen up the dirt under any dead spots just a bit, put this stuff down, turn on my sprinkler system for the grass area to run daily, and I have a fully recovered, bright green, thick lawn again in just a couple of weeks. Number 3. Scott's Turf Builder Rapid Grass Sun and Shade Mix. Are you tired of waiting for your lawn to look its best? This product grows grass twice as fast as using seed alone. It's a quick solution for a beautiful, green lawn. This revolutionary mix contains both grass seed and fertilizer. It's designed to thrive in both sunny and shady areas, ensuring a full, green lawn in just weeks. Whether you're patching up bare spots or starting fresh, this product is perfect. It's great for overseeding large problem areas or establishing new grass. For best results, apply this product in the spring or fall. Make sure the temperatures are between 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal growth. A 5.6 pounds bag covers a large area. It can cover up to 839 square feet for new lawns and 2,800 square feet for overseeding. What we like. This grass seed mix grows grass 2x faster than seed alone. It's a revolutionary mix of grass seed and fertilizer that grows full, green grass in just weeks. If you like fast results and need to overseed large problem areas, you should consider this. What people say. Argentine Bahia grass is a good choice for areas that get a lot of sun and heat. It is a low-maintenance grass that can tolerate drought conditions. It is a good choice for erosion control. Number 2. Outsidepride Midnight Kentucky Bluegrass Seed. This seed is designed for a beautiful, resilient lawn. It's enhanced with OptiGrowth coating for better establishment. Midnight Kentucky Bluegrass is known for its dark blue-green color and soft texture. The OptiGrowth coating ensures uniform distribution, making spreading easier. Perfect for northern or transition zones, it establishes easily, creating a thick, dark blue-green carpet. It's an ideal choice for new lawns, even in shaded areas. The coating retains moisture for better germination. This seed offers dwarf growth, drought tolerance, and long-standing reliability. The OptiGrowth coating includes essential nutrients to promote healthier plants and reduce mowing needs. Suitable for home lawns, parks, and athletic fields, it provides a lush, dense, and durable lawn. The coating improves plant health and root mass, increasing long-term viability. For new turf, sow 2 to 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. For overseeding, use 1 to 1.5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. This perennial seed ensures a beautiful lawn. The coating enhances the success of your lawn. What we like. This seed is enhanced with OptiGrowth coating, ensuring uniform distribution and making spreading easier. It is known for its dwarf growth, drought tolerance, and long-standing reliability. If you are looking for a durable lawn that withstands high traffic and maintains its vibrant color, you should consider this. What people say. Argentine Bahia Grass Seed germinates quickly. It is a good choice for areas with poor soil. It is drought tolerant. Number 1. Outsidepride Legacy Fine Fescue Grass Seed. This is the Outsidepride Legacy Fine Fescue Grass Seed. It's a premium blend designed for both sun and shade. This mix is perfect for creating a beautiful lawn. This elite mix is a combination of hard fescue, chewings fescue, and creeping red fescue. It's adaptable to various climates and soil types, creating a lush, fine-textured lawn. It thrives in both sun and shade. The advanced OptiGrowth coating ensures better seed-to-soil contact. This results in faster and more reliable germination. This makes it a great choice for areas that are hard to grow grass in. Infused with essential nutrients, the OptiGrowth coating promotes robust seed growth. It's particularly effective for lawns in challenging conditions. This helps the grass grow strong and healthy. This cool season grass seed mix creates a dense, resilient lawn. It can withstand heavy foot traffic, drought, and harsh weather. This makes it ideal for many different areas. The OptiGrowth coating ensures consistent seed distribution. It's easy to apply and results in an evenly covered lawn. This seed grows quickly, establishing a thick, healthy turf. What we like. This fine fescue mix is ideal for both northern and southern lawns, thriving in full sun to full shade conditions. The OptiGrowth coating on this lawn grass seed ensures superior seed-to-soil contact, resulting in uniform spread and faster, more reliable germination. If you like a dense, resilient lawn that can withstand heavy foot traffic and harsh weather, you should consider this. What people say. It did sprout fairly easily with a great compost base, and grew in thick, with minimal water. We installed this seed using a standard Scott spreader, and we decided to overseed 2 to 1. After spreading equal amounts of seed throughout, we lightly raked over with loose dirt. This was all done after extensive ground prep, tilling, raking out debris, weeding by hand, and additional raking leveling. We used an organic fertilizer prior to seeding, and after 12 days of moderate watering, we have grass blades popping out of the dirt. Very happy with the fast germination of this product, and my plan is to overseed again in early spring. On day 7 and like clockwork, seeds are germinating. I'm in northern CA and we are still in cooler weather for spring. Looks to be high germination percentage so far. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.